This is the first video of this channel, which aims to showcase the fascinating world not normally seen by the naked eye. Let's zoom into the microworld of water fleas. Unlike the true fleas that we know, which are labeled as parasitic and pesky, water fleas render themselves beneficial to humans, in most cases, meaning not all of them all the time. In this video, you will know a little bit about two families of water fleas, Copepod belonging to family Cyclopedidae with members having only one eye, and family Daphnidae represented by the more common genus Daphnia. These specimens were collected from stormwater management pond. They are called water fleas based on their jumping movements in water similar to how fleas move on land. Copepod was actually tagged as the world's strongest and fastest animal relative to their size. Adult copepods typically measures 1 to 2 millimeters, but they can accelerate the speed of their jump by 500 body lengths per second. This means that a 1 millimeter copepod can jump at a rate of half a meter per second. So as a matter of perspective and for fun, let's say you're a person of average height and you're in water and you have the force and acceleration of a copepod, you will be able to jump at a rate of 800 meters per second. The kinematics of the copepod escape jump was measured, described and reported by a number of scientists. As cited from the Journal of the Royal Society, the maximum force per unit muscle mass of escaping copepods is 10 times higher than any animal. Potentially because of the muscular arrangement of the swimming legs that are probably adapted for high force production during short-lasting bursts, like escaping predators. They probably became the world's best animal jumper to avoid becoming dinner. Fleas or insects belong to order Siphonaptera, which survive by feeding on animal and human blood, causing irritation and allergic dermatitis in mild cases and anemia in extreme cases. Water fleas, on the other hand, are small crustaceans, which are mostly planktonic in nature. They are filter feeders and have voracious appetite for algae and protozoa, although some are predatory on fellow water mites. Some copepods, a type of water flea, are predatory on mosquito larvae and are being tested for their effectiveness in controlling mosquito populations. Moving upward in the food chain, water fleas are food sources for amphibians, insects, whales, fish and other crustaceans. This illustrates how water fleas help clean freshwater and help maintain ecological balance in their own little way, which turned out to be huge. Daphnia life cycle is based on cyclical parthenogenesis, alternating between parthenogenetic, or asexual, and sexual reproduction. Parthenogenesis is production of viable offspring without mating. Eggs are carried inside a brood pouch in the female body. They remained inside the brood pouch for around 3 days before they are released in the water. In the case of copepods, reproduction is mainly sexual, and there was only one report of a species of copepod that was able to reproduce asexually. Some species directly lay eggs into the water, while this female copepod carries its eggs in egg sacs on both sides of its body until they hatch. Eggs hatch into nauplius larvae. This nauplius larva will molt 5 to 6 times to become copepodid larva and molt 5 times more to finally become an adult. The nauplius form is so different from the adult that it was once thought to be a different organism. If you like zooming into the microworld, subscribe to this channel and we'll see you in the next one.